big rock and put it there.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna pick that rock up. What do you think I am, a gorilla?
It's too slippery because it's raining down for me to step there.
All you gotta do.
Go get me a brick or something. Your
I gotta do a step on this.
My legs are short and it's hanging down and my legs are slippery. I mean my shoes.
No,
Can you get a rock and put it there? Get a big rock and throw it down.
She said get a big rock and throw it down.
Listen, don't get me wet, please. I should turn around for this.
I'm gonna die.
Just step right there and then bend down lightly. Bend down lightly. Don't! You might hit me! Charlie just likes to tell me to put my head open. Don't do it! Look, lightly put it down. You did it wrong! Put more rocks down! Wait! Get me another rock! I'm stuck! It's gonna get dark and there's bears!
Oh my lord!
Now all the rocks are wet. Maybe I should jump there too. I think I can jump over there. That's a good one, yeah! You can put it right there. If you put it, like, with that rock and that wall.
Watch her fall fucking ass first.
Alright, these shoes have no zippers at all. You gotta come on this rock. What's wrong?
No, really?
Lightly! Bend down. Place it on top of that rock. Oh, yeah! You didn't test it out. Look, my legs are shorter than yours. Can you just step on that rock and see if it moves?
Oh my
If I step on it,
This is just so you get a rock to put there.
can you just stick your foot on it and see if it moves?
Oh my lord, we're gonna be here all night.
You're the one who told me to do it.
Oh, you do everything I do?
Well, it looked easier than you did it. And you're wearing boots that don't slip.
But don't slip.
Okay, try. Don't knock it over. That's my only hope.
It's good. Get a picture of her out there.
I'm scared. Are you
Go and help her.
I found the water.
Steve, do I take my shoes off and come in there and get you up?
I see your boot prints. I'm going to break my ankle.
She don't break her ankle.
Please come back in and try it again.
Oh.
You just stand there and I'll use your shoulder. I'm going to step.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my.
Grandma! Gotta stay on that rock. Ready? No, I don't want to hold your hand. I want to lean on you. It's not safe. Go ahead.
I'm going by that.
I'm stuck in the water.
Now get on that one. Jump.
No, that's not. I didn't jump on this one, did I? Oh, this thing's moving. Here, you go that way. I'll go this way. What?